How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account on your laptop, iPhone or Android device. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're doing it on Android or any laptop or a computer, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you're going to open your Facebook application, and then what you're going to do is you'll be redirected to the home page. So you're going to click on menu at the bottom right, and once you do so, you will be redirected to the menu. So you're going to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on settings over here, and then you're going to click on see more in account center. And once you do so, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on personal details. It would be under account settings. So simply click on personal details and then you're going to click on account ownership and control. And after that, you'll be able to see an option that says deactivation or deletion. And then you're going to select deactivate, and deactivating your account is temporarily your account and main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. And however, if you wish to delete your account, then deleting your account is permanent. However, you can retrieve your account if you sign in within 30 days. So if you wish to deactivate your account, you can simply click on deactivate, then click on continue. And once you do so, you're going to type down your password and then click on continue. And after that, they will ask you that why you wish to deactivate your account. And you need to simply click on just need a break. And after that, you're good to go and your Facebook account would be deactivated. So that was basically how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.